Welcome back to Pronouncemasters, where we explore the world of words and assist you in refining your pronunciation skills. Today, we have an interesting word on our linguistic menu, intellectual. Join me as we discover the correct way to pronounce this intriguing term. Before we dive into the details, let's take a moment to understand the meaning behind the word. Intellectual is derived from the Latin word intellectum, which means to understand or to perceive. The term is commonly used to describe someone who is highly knowledgeable, thoughtful, and possesses strong analytical abilities. Now, let's get to the main event, the pronunciation of intellectual. When it comes to pronouncing intellectual, there are a few key elements to keep in mind. Let's break it down syllable by syllable, intellectual. The first syllable is in. Here, we have a short I sound, similar to insect or incredible. The second syllable is te. It is pronounced with an f sound, similar to red or well. The third syllable is lek. This portion can be a little tricky, but we pronounce it as luek. You can think of it as if you were saying the letter E followed by ek. The fourth syllable is tu. Simply pronounce it as a tu. The final syllable is a al. This part is easy, just like the ending of a pal or a gal. So, when you put it all together, it is pronounced as a intellectual. Congratulations! You've conquered the pronunciation of the word intellectual. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to use it in conversations to solidify your skills. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned to our channel for more interesting word explorations and pronunciation tips. And, as always, keep expanding your intellectual horizons.
Bye.